myself Anshu Sharma from CSC department at RPIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karna. Today in this session I want to discuss about the network classification by their component role. It means the local area network can be further divided into two parts. First one is the peer-to-peer network and second one is the client-server network. First one is the peer-to-peer network. It means in peer-to-peer network, each computer is responsible for making its own resources available to the other computers on the network. It means एक जो कंप्यूटर है उसको दूसरे के साथ जो है पीर टू पीर कम्युनिकेशन कराया जाता है और जितने भी एक जो हमारा कंप्यूटर है उसके जितने भी अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज हैं उसको दूसरे कंप्यूटर्स हैं वो इजीली यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Each computer is responsible for setting up and maintaining its own security for these resources. यानी कि जो दूसरे जो कंप्यूटर्स हैं उसके रिसोर्सेज को यूज़ कर रहा है तो उनकी सिक्योरिटी है वो अपना जो है कंप्यूटर अपना खुद ऑर्गेनाइज करता है. Each computer is responsible for assessing the required network resources from peer-to-peer relationship. Peer-to-peer network is useful for a small network containing less than the 10 computers on a single LAN. It means एक LAN जिसमें कि 10 computers होते हैं उसमें हम जो है peer-to-peer communication को establish कर सकते हैं. In peer-to-peer network, each computer can function as both the client and the server. Peer-to-peer network do not have a central control system. There are no servers in the peer network. It means वहाँ पे कोई सर्वर नहीं होता, क्लाइंट सर्वर रिलेशनशिप नहीं होता है. हर एक जो हमारा कंप्यूटर है जो LAN से कनेक्टेड है वो हमारा क्लाइंट भी वर्क कर रहा है और एज ए सर्वर भी काम कर रहा है. Now the advantage and disadvantage of the peer-to-peer network. First one is the advantage. It means it use the less expensive computer hardware, easy to administer, more built-in redundancy and easy setup and low cost. But it has also some disadvantages. First one is not very secure. ये ज़्यादा secure नहीं होता है. No central point of storage or filing. आर्चिविंग. इट मीन्स कोई भी सेंट्रल प्लेस नहीं है. इट मीन्स कोई भी हमारे पास सर्वर नहीं है जिसमें हम क्या है सेंट्रल जो है कम्युनिकेशन के लिए यूज़ किया जा सके. एडिशनल लोड ऑन द कंप्यूटर बिकॉज ऑफ द रिसोर्स शेयरिंग. This is the diagrammatic representation of the server-based and peer-to-peer network. It means in the server-based there is a small server, there is a server in the middle and act as the central point of communication between the different computers, or we can say the clients. But in peer-to-peer network, each computer is connected to the other computers directly through the wire and easily communicate with each other. Client and server network. In it certain computer act as the server and other act as the client. It means इसमें से कुछ जो है suppose करो 100 computers में suppose 20 computer act as the server and remaining 80 act as the clients. A server is simply a computer that is available the network resources and provide the services to the other computer when they request it. It means क्या है कि सर्वर है उसके पास जो ऑलमोस्ट जो सारे जितने भी नेटवर्क के रिसोर्सेज होते हैं और जितने भी हमारी फाइल्स होती हैं या सॉफ्टवेयर्स हो सकते हैं उनका एक्सेस हो सकता है उसके पास. और जब भी कोई क्लाइंट है वो किसी भी पर्टिकुलर रिसोर्स के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करता है देन सर्वर विल प्रोवाइड इट. A client in the computer running a program that requests the service from the server. Suppose उसे एक क्लाइंट है उसको एक प्रोग्राम रन कराना था उसको सर्विसेज की रिक्वायरमेंट है सर्वर से. तो LAN is based on the client server network relationship. In it all the available network resources such as the file, directories, application and shared devices are centrally managed, hosted and they are accessed by the clients. The client-server network are defined by the presence of the servers on a network that provide the security and administration of the network. These are the advantages and disadvantages of the client-server network. Advantages are it is very secure because there is one central point of communication. Better performance, centralized backup and very reliable. But it has some disadvantages also. First one is the require the professional administration. It is more hardware intensive and more software intensive and expensive dedicated software are required. Thank you.